Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Roleadro RGB LED Pool Light 12V 47W. Make your swimming pool colorful with Roleadro LED Pool Light. Multiple simple colors and combinations. You can choose any mode by remote controller. High-grade stainless steel and excellent silica gel blue circle as lamp body, with excellent waterproof sealing material, so quality is absolutely guaranteed. Requires 12-volt transformer. Features: reliable quality, 7 static and 5 dynamic color modes, IP68 waterproof, 12-volt and 47W. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.